So guys, this was a prediction we did yesterday that I did for you guys yesterday on AUDUSD. I told you guys clearly that market is at this major zone, which is the resistance zone. And I also told you guys that market is going to be selling for the day. Guess what market did? You can clearly see it right here. If you don't watch it, if you did not watch the analysis that I did for you guys yesterday, you can go back to the channel to watch it. It is still very much in the channel. I told you guys that clearly AUDUSD will give us a bearish move for the day, and it did give us a bearish move. You can see that our prediction was absolutely right. So those that went ahead to take the sell, where I told them to take the sell, they should have made between 45 to 50 pips in profit. By the way, they should have been able to grab between 45 to 50 pips in profit for the day. So you can see that our prediction is absolutely right and correct. So this is one of the reasons you need to subscribe to the channel if you've not done that, and also follow the Telegram. You'll find the links to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's go down to our forward time frame. It is very simple right here. Forward time frame on AUDUSD, we are in a ranging market move. Market rallied out to tap our resistance rate, then it rejected and dropped out to tap our support. Market eventually came back to tap our resistance, then it rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap the support. Market eventually rejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance. Now it is now dropping, right? With this drop right here, guys, we should expect market to pull back, and guess what? Give us so much drop that we form a new low, thereby taking out this low. So guys, we would expect AUDUSD to continue that sell till it is able to hit our support level. So our ultimate target on AUDUSD is still the support zone. So whatever you want to do, look to going for the sell and hold your sell position. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. The truth is that could there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely yes. There's a possibility that there will be changes to this prediction. But if there's going to be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll make sure I let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, subscribe to the channel, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the links to the Telegram in the comment section.